Hey yo, I'm back again with another banger, you heard? And listen, this is the motherfucking finale of the year, man. This is the last reel of 2025 from Passion to Kickz, man. This pair right here is the 10 Pearl Deconstructed boot by Psy Collector. Remember I told you, Psy Collector is the hottest motherfucking brand in the motherfucking world, nigga. Let's get into it, man. Hey yo, he got a couple left on the site. You better go get it, man. It's probably smaller sizes left. I don't know, but go on www.psycollector.com. It's not hard. Just do it. I was seeing if he gave me one of them QR codes in this box, but I don't know. I think my shit got fucked up. Saya Deconstructs 10 Pearl Psy Collector size 15. Psycollector.com. See the fucking box. Luxury shit, nigga. You niggas ain't got these shits, nigga. Another dust bag. Premium shit, man. More pearls. If your pearls come off, you can glue them shit back on. You heard? Ooh, look at the motherfucking butters. Look at the motherfucking butters. Look at these shits. Ooh, shit. Hold on. Put them right there, you heard? Take a good look at them shits. Hold on. Let me get the other pair out real quick. Hold on. Look at these shits. Look at them shits, man. Look at them shits. Masterpieces, man. Look at this shit. Look at the pearls in this motherfucker, you heard? Look at the pearls. But luxury fly shit, man. Look at the craftsmanship in this shit. See the Saya, see the double sole on the bottom. See the Saya logo. You see the Saya Collective on the bottom. Somewhere in America, that's what Saya mean, you heard? Look at the leather. Of course you got the Saya on the inside, nigga. See that shit? You know, these custom. These shit is made from scratch. Killing the game. Saya did it again. The fucking Saya did it again, man. Look at these shits, man. Look at these shits. Look at these shits. Killing the fucking game. Killing the fucking game. Look at these shits, man. Look at these shits. Look at these shits, man. I told y'all niggas, man. Passionate Kickz. Who fucking with me, nigga? But shout out to my son Dev, man. Without Dev, I probably would be a lot similar to a lot of you fuck niggas, man. I don't like dressing like you niggas. I like to dress different, fly shit. I like to be dressed like you can't find this shit in the stores. You hear me? You can't find this shit in the fucking stores. You gotta go in fucking line to get this shit. You gotta go in line to get shit like this. I don't like dressing like everybody else. I like to dress like Swagger, Mr. Passionate Kickz, you heard? You see the copyright? You see the Saya, man. It's just different, man. Get down and lay down, man. Get down and lay down. Hey, yo, man. Let me put my babies to sleep, man. My baby's to sleep right there. Put him to sleep, man. Put him to sleep. Put him to sleep. Hey, yo, man. Happy motherfucking New Year, man. I told you I'm gonna end the year with a banger, man. 2 pair of Deconstruct boots from Side Collective, man. The hottest motherfucking brand in the world. And I'm not being biased. Cause I shop with this motherfucker almost every goddamn month. But he got nothing but fire shit. You understand what I'm saying? Like fire shit. You can get nowhere else but from sidecollector.com. Hey, listen, make sure you hit that motherfucking like button, subscribe button, follow button, share button, comment button, and all of the above, man. Until next time, I see y'all next year, 2026. So let's get it. Yeah.